So welcome back. We are in Prusa Slicer 2.3.0 here, and this is for my Tevo Tarantula perimeters or shells. We got 3, maybe like a 20% infill with 210 for the temperature and 60 degrees for the bed. And now let's go ahead and load in our files here. So we've got our dog base and the dog head. Bring those in. It's asking, are they multiple? Should it think of it as multiple objects? We'll say no. And then just hit A to arrange. And that's looking pretty good. So we can add some supports right here. Just paint that on there. And we'll do supports for support enforcers only. And let's go ahead and slice it up. So now it'll slice at the bottom, and that's looking pretty good. So we've got, pretty much everything can be 3D printed with no rafts and no supports really. We've got a nice little base there for both parts. And we just scrub through here. We do have some supports for the interior spike there, right here at the top, right there. But everything else should print very nicely. And I believe this is just a 1 millimeter solidify shell. So let's go ahead and export for 3D printing. So we'll just export the G-code and send it on over to your printer, through USB or SD card or Octopi, whatever you use. So let's go ahead and save it on out and do a test print.